Repair the house.
Yeah, what does repair mean?
Repair the house means you're repairing the house.
Yeah, well, what does that mean, to repair? Repair means what?
We're repairing everything.
Oh, well, repair means to fix something, right?
Alright.
Fix something, yeah. What do you think needs to be fixed in a house sometimes?
Sometimes the TV, sometimes the fan, and the computers. I don't know.
Maybe the computer, yeah, it can be. Okay. Is there anything that needs to be fixed in your house?
Well, sometimes we can be fixed too.
Sometimes what can be fixed?
Sometimes something is broke, my dad kind of fixed it.
Or sometimes he cannot fix it, huh?
Sometimes other thing broke, my dad have to fix it.
Okay, repair the house